to install, good speed. Worked as described. Very easy to install and use. I have used this service several times, and even when I can't connect, I can contact support and the problem is resolved immediately. I use this service every time. The connection to both Dubai and Abu Dhabi was smooth and easy. I was staying for exactly 3 days, and the 3-day plan is perfect for users who occasionally want to watch videos or listen to music. 1.5 gigabytes per day is more than enough. There's usually a 5 to 10 second delay, but I'm not sure if that's just how it is locally. At least it worked fine in the desert area where I was sandboarding, which I'm very grateful for. Smile. The internet service is excellent and fast, the signal is strong in both Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I was a little skeptical at first, but then finally bought the eSIM for my one-day trip to Abu Dhabi. Excellent prices. Installed it within 3 minutes before departing my home country. Landed and just switched on the eSIM apps, voila! Got data for 24 hours. Go for it. I quickly bought these things because I had to make a last-minute decision to go to Abu Dhabi for a connecting flight. eSIM works as advertised. Quite satisfied. One-click installation, convenient and simple, and there are absolutely no problems using it. Excellent reception in all areas, so you don't have to worry about getting lost or losing internet access while traveling. Easy to install, stable network, diverse solutions, and reasonable prices, that's great. It worked without any problems, and thanks to it, my trip went smoothly. I use it all the time. It's easy to set up and is a great value for stays of a week or more. I was worried about whether the setup would go smoothly, but I prepared in advance so there were no problems. The signal has been smooth and I've been able to use it without any interruptions. I knew I'd be using it a lot, walking around town, transferring between subways, etc., so applying for it was the right decision. I used it in Abu Dhabi. It was easy to use, just scan the QR code. There was no problem with the signal, so it was very convenient. I highly recommend it if it supports eSIM.